G'day, I'm Tom Spinks. I love barbecue. So we're going to cook a few different things today. To start off, we've got this cracking Scotch fillet, grass-fed, open range, so plenty of flavour, nice marbling in the Scotch fillet. It's not a chuck steak or it's not a brisket, so we don't need to cook it for as long because it's already a tender meat. But we're going to smoke it for a little while and then we're going to chop it up and we'll finish it on the grill in the hot box on the offset smoker, which should be super ace. To do this, just a really light flavouring, we're using Flaming Coals Espresso Bovine rub, which I love. It's got a little bit of spice in it, a good amount of pepper, and loads of salt. So like all these things, we just give it a fairly light coating on each side, round and about, back to front. The advantage of these rubs is they're already set in these nice little shakers, so you don't have to load them up yourself. And that's that. So we don't want to go overboard, just enough flavour that while it's smoking, it's going to carry some of that pepper through it, which is cool. You want to get them down to room temperature, any red meat, before you smoke it. So I'll usually salt them up, let them sit on the board for about half an hour till they get down to room temp. It's not the same as brining, but you will notice once you've salted them, a little bit of moisture will start to come out, which is an important thing. So we'll get these in the smoker in about 30 minutes. We're literally doing like a yes. Three, four, five. You know, all for the Insta, those cool grill marks. So the steak is low cooked. Essentially imagine like a sous vide style steak, because it's been slow smoked at a low heat, and then we've charred it on the outside, because as much as soft cook is great, you still want that beautiful fire charcoal reaction when it comes to your steak, and that is it.